Hello, do you know the number bonds for addition for number 13? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So you could have a well-known one like this, 10 plus 3, because that equals 13. Remember, number bonds are numbers which added together equal, in this case, 13. So let's go for another one, a bit harder. 6 plus 7. Does that equal 13? Give you a second. Yes, well done, it does. So that's great, that's another one. Okay, what about this one though? So if I went 2 plus 12, does that equal 13? Very good, it doesn't, does it? Because that would equal 14, so that's one too many. So that can't be a number bond for them. All right, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!